Hi guys, my name is Vanessa and I want to welcome you guys to my YouTube channel. And today I'll be focusing on showing you guys the inside of my preschool classroom on how I decorated for the winter, so let's get right to it. So today we're going to be, so the plates I ended up painting yesterday, they're all here. I'm going to put them on the wall and just try and recreate a really big tree. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing that right now. Alright, so right now, as you can see, we've been able to put all the plates up like I said I was going to. Just with your basic thumbtacks. Put a piece of silver garland tucked behind the plate so it's first secured. Piece of brown paper in the bottom for the tree trunk. And with these, I just was able to go online and get like a template of a light bulb, and you're able to cut. You're able to cut light bulbs out. And as you can see on top, this is really like kid nursery kind of thing for little toddlers. Everything has to be really big. So instead of a typical star, I was able to just trace my hand and make a star using my hands. Making the giant ornaments, as you can see on my tree. I already put some. I'm going to show you real quick. So I'm just cutting in along the lines of the paper. This is what it looks like. So all you gotta do is, I just have regular Crayola washable paint. You just throw it on there, like I said, that'd be perfect. So you can just smear it. This was, I think, like 88 cents at Walmart. It's just glitter. So I'm just gonna sprinkle it on top. I mean, it instantly just dries on there. It's like it attaches with the paint. So all you're gonna do is just get a piece of tape like this, and I'm just gonna get it. And where should I put this one? Down here. So I'm just gonna tape it to the plate. And that's all you do. Alright, so right now, just adding some silver garland, making it seem like Christmas lights, and I'm just getting tape and just taping them on, and it sticks really easily. The garland is not going anywhere. It's pretty secure. So we're gonna do it all the way across the room that side. What we're doing here, we got this brick. I think this sells at Michael's. And you can buy it there, but it looks like a chimney. So we're gonna use this and just pin it on the wall right here. Hey everyone, so actually I'm already back home. I need to make, I'm gonna be making a giant Santa Claus. So as you can see, so we have the Santa Claus. We're actually gonna make a giant one. It's really hard to see, it's really faint, the pencil on the red paper. But my sister's actually the one helping me. She doesn't want to be on camera, so I'm not gonna show her face. So it's pretty big. I mean, we're gonna go ahead and trace it, and then I will show you what it looks like once we cut it out. Right now, all we have right now is just we cut out the two boots for Santa Claus. We're just cutting out the outline that we made, and over here we have the face kind of where it's going. We used yellow construction paper because I think like skin colored paper is kind of hard to find. So my sister's actually really creative too, so she's helping me. She knows how to draw really good. So I gotta use her for that because I can't really draw, but she's helping me. Really cute elf house that I made out of a box. Took me probably like 20 minutes to make that. The Dollar Tree actually had really giant stockings. Someone had actually bought only 3, so it actually filled up the wall really good. Just the small things here and there to just fill up the walls. Made a quick gingerbread man. Ceiling actually has supposed to be like a giant light bulb, like Christmas light bulbs. It's literally just a plastic cup with a balloon, a piece of string and tape, and it's very secure. Back of the doors, we just have your basic covers, 98 cents from Walmart. I added just boxes wrapped in wrapping paper from Costco. And probably my favorite thing that I made was probably this. So it's just brown paper, a big brown paper, 2 pieces taped together. Just added the windows, made a door, wrapping paper that was painted on there. Added those words, added the roof, small details. So this is probably one of my favorite things that I made, and it actually didn't take that long. Okay guys, I really hope that you guys enjoyed my channel and that my videos were helpful to you guys. For all of you guys that are teachers, you know, preschool teachers, whatever, you know, you want to decorate your house, and that you guys are hopefully able to subscribe. And I will be uploading more videos throughout the year. I'll be uploading decorations for classrooms for the winter, for the fall. We do spring, we do summer, we do everything. So hopefully you guys are able to subscribe, and hopefully you guys enjoyed my channel. Thank you.